working on an LG washer. Customer complaint is excessive noise during spin. And when I opened up the kick plate here, I noticed two of the bolts for the counterweights are broken. So even look from under there, and if we peel back the gasket here, we can see, yeah, these are your counterweights right here. You can see how loose they are, and when it shakes, that's where we're getting the noise. So yeah, these are the bolts that fell off right there, just in the middle of tightening them up. They should be all around. There's another counterweight on this side which will tighten up as well. And again, it's sounding a lot better.